So let's get started with the vanilla mug cake recipe and very fast. So let me just tell you guys what are the main ingredients that we're gonna use today. First, for mixing the dry ingredients in the bowl. So here I have like 1 cup of maida, which is flour in it, and then like a half cup of powdered sugar. Then over here, so I've mixed the baking powder and the baking soda in it, and so you have to also put like a pinch of salt like I have done in it. And then at the last but not the least, I have some melted butter mixed with some of the oil, not mustard oil but the refined oil. So let's get started with the mixing process. So the first step is that take the mixing bowl, as obvious, and just put the 2 cups of maida in it. 1 cup of actually. Just put the 1 cup of maida, and then half 1.5 cup of powdered sugar, like that. So after putting the powdered sugar, now just leave the dry ingredients aside, and first let us mix the maida and the powdered sugar first, and then we will put the baking powder and the baking soda in it. So first just mix it for like 10 seconds maximum, and after mixing it, now I'm gonna put the baking powder and the baking soda in it. After putting it, now mix again. So after mixing for some time, and now we're gonna put the melted butter mixed with some oil, not mustard oil but refined oil. First add a little bit of the butter and the oil, and then mix it. So now you can see it is like making a structure of like a dough. Don't stress or don't worry, that I will tell you later. Now after doing that, put the leftover melted butter and the mixed of oil in it, and just mix it again. And like if it is forming like this and like the whisk maker, just pull it out with a spoon, or don't use a fork because it wouldn't come out then easily, and then again try to mix it. So now after mixing from some time, you can see that there are no like lumps in it, and now what we're gonna do, we have to now gradually add the malai in it. So there I have some like 2 tablespoons of malai. So first I will add like 1 tablespoon of malai in it, like 1 tablespoons of malai, and then again I'm just mixing it with the malai. And you can see now that the mixture is come like this. It's the sign that a good cake might like this come out. Just like free this all out, give it a sign, and then again mix it. Now after some time, now the whole malai goes into it. Now we'll again mix it, and again we are gonna just free out the cake which is like stuck into the mixer. then again mix it. So if you like see this type of thing, then I think now we have to add milk also, because the batter must be not very thick but thick. So now if you see that some like this like dough like structure is coming, so no need to worry, just again like peel off this thing, and then we have to gradually add milk. So here I have like 1 cup of milk, pour half of it. So now I put like a half cup of milk, and then I'm gonna again mix it. So now you can see that a batter will not be like that thick also, but you have to make it a little thick. You can see the batter. So keep mixing it and make sure that there are no lumps in it. So as you saw that the batter is now like just going to be done, so I'm not putting the half of the milk, but only like a little, just like that, and then again we are gonna mix it to make it much and very smooth. So now you can see that I have like mixing it for 10 minutes, and this is how it came, and it's looking very nice, and make sure that there are no lumps in it. So I'm adding a little twist to it. So what the twist is that I'm gonna take the spoons out of that and just take a separate bowl like this, a little small, and what you're gonna do, you have to like divide half of, just take a little from here and separate into a glass, I mean the bowl. Just separate it. And make sure to have the equal quantity on both of the containers and the bowls. So now you can see that I have like separated it, and now just keep it aside, and now what you're gonna do, so just add like some like 1 tablespoons of coffee powder in the batter, and then 1 tablespoons of cocoa powder, so after putting both of these ingredients into the mixture, so now mix it. Ooh, that chocolatey glow, and you can see that the chocolate, and my favorite flavor is chocolate only, and this is what it like looks like after mixing, and make sure there are no lumps in it as usual. And this is the mixture, and just mix it nicely. So now comes the most interesting way to make the vanilla mug cake with a slightly hint of the coffee and the cocoa powder, which is, so I have now taken a mug like this. You can see, you can take like the any mug. So now what you can do, it's gonna be the tricolor mug cake, and first I have to take like 1 tablespoons of the batter which we made at the first, and put it into the cups. After putting it, just spread it under layer in it. So after, now I put the first layer inside, and now my favorite chocolate layer, just put like a tablespoons of this is a small spoon, so I have to take 2 spoons actually. I'm taking 2 spoons because it is a small spoon actually. told you earlier, and just lightly, just in the like the under layer, so like this. So now guys, I'll meet you after I've done this, the process in the both of the two cups. So now you can see that I've designed it fully over the layer and just put a sprinkle of cocoa powder over it, and now we are gonna go and bake it for 20 minutes in our homemade oven, which is the Karhai actually. So if you're baking in an oven, the instructions are here on the screen, you can check it out. And yeah, now let's go and bake it. So after keeping it in the stove for like 20 minutes, now you can see that a vanilla mug cake is all ready, and you can see that I've topped with some vanilla, like the batter in it, and it looks quite delicious. And now I'm gonna put some design over it. So as design is the main thing over here, I'm gonna design with some chocolate syrup over it and some Oreo biscuits. So let's go. So this is what it looks like. It is looking very delicious, just trust me. And I have now decorated it with some of the chocolate syrup like inside it, and then the Oreo biscuit cream just put in the middle, and then I took some Oreo biscuits and then just slide upon them, and it's looking so delicious. So this was my video of the vanilla mug cake with a little twist. So I hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily notification, and do try out this recipe in your home guys. Bye guys.